Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Creative Market Download Manager, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Creative Market Download Manager, start by locating the application on your computer. If you are using a Windows PC, open the control panel. Click on Programs or Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed applications. Find Creative Market Download Manager in the list. Once located, click on it to select. Look for the Uninstall option, usually found at the top of the window. Click on Uninstall and follow the prompts to remove the application. If you are using a Mac, open Finder. Navigate to the Applications folder. Locate Creative Market Download Manager in the Applications folder. Drag the application icon to the trash. Alternatively, right-click on the application and select Move to Trash. To ensure complete removal, empty the trash afterward. If necessary, check for additional files in the Library folder. Open Finder, then click Go in the menu bar. Hold down the Option key and select Library from the drop-down. Once in the library, search for any folders related to Creative Market. Delete these folders if they exist. After completing these steps, restart your computer to finalize the uninstallation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.